Hey guys, in this video I will show you a simple and quick way to remove the virtual camera from OBS Studio. The first step is to go to the folder where OBS is installed. Then, access the OBS plugins folder, where you will find the WinD folder. In this folder we need to run virtualcam uninstall.bat file as administrator, which will open a command line window. When the window appears, just press any key to continue. After following these steps, we now no longer have the OBS virtual camera as our webcam. We can easily test this on webcamtest.com website. If you like this video, leave a like and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you and see you on the next video.